Intel's goal with the Intel IoT platform was to make sure that we were able to connect in using open standards to other companies' technologies as well, whether that's edge sensing devices all the way through to cloud analytics applications. The Intel IoT platform has a number of outstanding features which I think make it a very competitive offering in the marketplace. The first is Intel promotes complete end-to-end security at both the hardware and software level. Second is the Intel IoT platform is designed with a building block approach to IoT so that it can interoperate through open standards with other ecosystem partners, IoT platforms as well. So Intel can work closely with companies like Huawei and many other ecosystem partners to be able to go to market together with the best technologies we have and promote security, interoperability, and manageability of end-to-end IoT solutions. We have a few successful implementations of the IoT platform. The ones to me that are the most exciting are the breakthroughs that we've had in transportation with fleet management and being able to work with companies that are in the business of managing large fleets of vehicles, whether they're taxi cabs or whether they're large industrial equipment transportation vehicles, and to be able to use that technology to help businesses reduce fuel economy, improve the time that it takes to deliver goods, engage with drivers in new ways to make them feel like they're a part of the way the business operates. It's just one way that I think IoT is bringing innovations into that marketplace. The most important contributions that Intel is making right now to promote the acceleration of IoT in the ecosystem is Intel's contributions into consortiums like the Industrial Internet Consortium, the Open Interconnect Consortium. These bodies are coming together with hundreds of different companies. There's over 170 different companies in the Industrial Internet Consortium, the IIC as an example. And Intel working with some of the largest companies in the world, which many of whom founded or co-founded the IIC, and the hundreds of other companies that have joined, is creating an ecosystem where I think lots of companies globally are coming together to identify what are the right standards that we need, what are the ways that we can prove that we can make IoT deliver the promises that everyone is expecting of $20 trillion of revenue per year by the year 2020. When I think about what Huawei's trying to do with their Light OS, there's many features about that Light OS that I think are excellent. And the open nature of the OS, I think, is very impressive. And I like the fact that Huawei is trying to make sure that they're creating an environment that makes it easier for developers to innovate. And when I think about the Open Interconnect Consortium and the way this consortium can try to help with machine-to-machine and peer-to-peer communications, I can see Huawei's Light OS benefiting from that. And I think of Huawei's technologies and the ecosystem that Huawei has that is so collaborative, and the technologies that Intel can bring. And I see so much opportunity for growth for both companies and the entire ecosystem. It's exciting for me.